Dear students, welcome to the lesson Magnetic Effects of Electric Currents. In the previous class, we have discussed force is experienced in a current carrying conductor when it is placed in a magnetic field. And also Fleming left hand rule. In today's session, we are going to see what is an electromagnetic induction and an activity. If two things are there, for example, in Fleming left hand rule, magnetic field and current is there, so force is experienced. Suppose force and magnetic field is there, what will happen to current? Let us discuss now. It was done by the name of the scientist Michael Faraday. He proved that current can be induced when a magnetic field is in motion. Otherwise, when a magnet is in movement, current can be induced in the circuit. Now we are going to see an activity. Materials require a large number of turns of copper wire is wind up on a cylindrical tube and both end of copper wire is connected to galvanometer. So materials require large number of turns of coils of copper, galvanometer and a cylindrical rod and a magnet. Procedure: set up the apparatus as shown in the figure. Now bring the north pole of the magnet towards the cylindrical coil. We can notice that there is a momentary deflection in galvanometer needle. For example, if it is moving towards left for the first case. Now keep the magnet stationary without any movement. It will come to 0. Now move away the magnet from the cylindrical coil. There will be deflection in galvanometer. It will be opposite side. For example, it will be in the right side. Okay. From this we can understand that what is the use of galvanometer? You know very well. It is used to test whether current is in the circuit. So here the needle is moving here and there. It shows that current is induced on the copper coil. What is the condition? Here a magnet is moved. When it is at stationary, there is no current is induced in the coil. Okay. Now reverse the direction of the magnet. For example, this is south pole and it is north pole. Now the south pole of the magnet is moved towards the cylindrical coil. What about the deflection in the needle of galvanometer? It moves right side. But when north pole was moving towards the cylindrical coil, it moves left side. Here it is reversed. Now keep it at stationary. It will come to 0. Now move away the magnet from the cylindrical coil. The deflection will move left side. It shows that when a magnetic field is in motion, it induces potential differences. So a current is induced in the coil. Okay, dear ones, what the observation from this activity first point is, when the magnet is moving towards the cylindrical coil, there is a deflection in galvanometer. It proves that current is induced in the coil. First point. Second one, when it is kept at stationary, the needle comes to 0. It shows that there is no current is induced in the coil. Now move away the magnet from the cylindrical coil. Again there is the deflection in galvanometer needle, but it is opposite to the previous case. These are the observation, and here it is a magnetic field. Magnet consists of magnetic field. So even it is in movement, a current is induced in the coil. Hope you understood today's topic, that is current can be induced in the motion of a magnet or the movement of the magnetic field. Hope you understood it. The remaining things we can see in the next class.